If you've been wondering what to expect from the Poco X7 and X7 Pro, wonder no more, as a new leak brings us spec details for both, along with new official-looking leaked images. So, let's start with the vanilla model. The Poco X7 is said to have a 6.67-inch, 1.5K AMOLED screen with 120Hz refresh rate and Gorilla Glass Victus 2 on top, the MediaTek Dimensity 7300 Ultra SoC at the helm, up to 12GB of RAM and up to 512GB of storage, IP68 certification for dust and water resistance, and a 5110 mAh battery with support for 45W fast wired charging. The X7 gets a 50MP main camera with OIS and 2x in-sensor zoom and a 20MP selfie snapper. Moving over to the Pro, this will be powered by the just unveiled MediaTek Dimensity 8400 chipset, with the Ultra suffix added by Xiaomi to make it sound even better. This phone has the same screen size and refresh rate, but is advertised to go up to 3200 nits of peak brightness and to have 2560 Hz touch sampling rate. The Pro's main camera is also 50MP with OIS and f/1.5 aperture. It uses Sony's IMX882 sensor and supports 4K video recording at 60 frames per second with dual OIS and EIS stabilization. The Poco X7 Pro has Gorilla Glass 7i on top of its screen and the same IP68 dust and water resistance rating, as well as a 6000 mAh battery with support for 90W fast wired charging, 0 to 100% advertised to take 42 minutes. The Poco X7 Pro runs HyperOS 2 and is likely to be a rebranded Redmi Turbo 4, a device that is launching in China very early next month and will be the world's first smartphone to use MediaTek's Dimensity 8400, which is the first SoC with an all-big core CPU in the upper mid-range segment.